Hey, this is Miss Anders, and now we are talking about the quotient property. So as you can see, we're starting with the general form log base b m over n, and this is condensed. And if we are to expand this, it would be written as log base bm minus log base bn. So the division here correlates with the minus here, just like with the product property. If you recall the product property, that was log base b mn equals log base b m plus log base b n. So multiplication and addition were correlated, and division and subtraction are also correlated. So the first thing we're going to do for examples 7 through 9 are we are going to condense these into a single logarithm. Notice that they each have a little subtraction symbol, and those subtraction symbols indicate to us that we are going to rewrite these as division. So this is natural log 96 minus natural log 6, and we can rewrite this as natural log 96 over 6, which will then be natural log, and then you just divide 96 over 6 to get 16. And that's your final answer there. We're going to do the same thing with number 8. We have log 8x to the 10th minus log 4x squared, so we can rewrite that as log 8x to the 10th over 4x squared. And we can simplify this again. 4 goes into 8 twice. 10 minus 2 is 8. So that's going to be our exponent there. And we can do number 9 the same way. So we have log base 7 square root of 40 minus log base 7 square root of 5. So that becomes log base 7 square root of 40 over square root of 5. We can rewrite square root of 40 as square root of 4 times 5. Square root of 4 is 2, so that's 2 square roots of 5. So this becomes 2 square roots of 5 over square root of 5. Those square root of 5s will cancel, so this really reduces to log base 7 of 2 if you cancel out those square root of 5s. So the first step is the logarithm type of step, and then the rest of it is all the algebra stuff from Math 1 and 2. So now let's go and look at examples 10 through 12, and here we are expanding. So for the first example, log base 3 of 8, we have to figure out two numbers that will divide to get 8. So they could be any two numbers. So I'm going to say this could be log base 3 of 16 over 2, which could then condense to log base 3 of 16 minus log base 3 of 2. And you could choose whichever two numbers you want that would divide to get 8. Number 11, we have natural log 3 over 4. So we can expand that to be natural log 3 minus natural log 4. And then in number 12, we have log x minus 7 over log x plus 1. So we can expand that to be log x minus 7 minus log x plus 1.